In the hidden history of 5 silent money traps keeping the middle class poor, there is a pattern that 99% of investors miss. Today, we're exposing it. To understand 5 silent money traps keeping the middle class poor, we must first zoom out. We are currently navigating a macro environment defined by unprecedented debt cycles and the rapid digitization of value. Traditional wisdom suggests diversification. We suggest structural leverage. The 5 silent money traps keeping the middle class poor phenomenon isn't happening in a vacuum, it's a direct result of the shifting velocity of global capital. At CapitalMind, we don't look at the noise. We look at the gears. Our analysis of 5 silent money traps keeping the middle class poor reveals 3 non-negotiable pillars of intelligence. Pillar 1, Systemic Asymmetry. You aren't looking for linear returns, you're looking for asymmetric upside where the risk is capped by the system itself. Pillar 2, Capital Velocity. Wealth isn't stagnant. It's movement. 5 silent money traps keeping the middle class poor must be viewed as a flow, not a pool. Pillar 3, the Automation Delta. Precision is the difference between a gambler and an architect. Using tools like Webull gives you the granular control required for this level of execution. By aligning these 3 gears, 5 silent money traps keeping the middle class poor transitions from a mystery to a predictable outcome. Here is your actionable blueprint for mastering 5 silent money traps keeping the middle class poor. Step 1, Audit. Identify every point of friction in your current financial stack. Eliminate the legacy thinking that keeps you reactive. Step 2, Engineer. Build your portfolio not as a collection of assets, but as a machine. Step 3, Scalability. Once the machine works at a small scale, the math of compound interest does the rest. If you start today, you aren't just investing, you're building a fortress of silent wealth. Wealth is not an event. It is a process. 5 silent money traps keeping the middle class poor is simply one variable in the equation of your independence. We have provided the links in the description for the tools we use to maintain our own systems. Webull for execution, M1 Finance for architecture, and Monarch Money for visibility. Subscribe to CapitalMind for more premium intelligence. The rules have changed. It's time you changed with them.